Enjoy your new proton drum.
I will try. Oh, what the? So.
Let's see if we can help out Skidd McMarx.
Okay, whatever. We'll help him out.
Help me!
Help you from what? There's no one around you. This doesn't look... I guess it's a little bit different from the Force planet, but not by a lot.
Oh, sand sharks!
What are you talking about?
I am Clank. This is Ratchet. Your uncle received your infobot and asked us to assist you.
Oh, I was wondering if you got that. My agent and I have been running from those blarg all night. Only we ended up getting separated in the chaos, and I took a
Didn't you say last time
getting out of
something
the
like
Skidd
insulting
McMarx
your agent?
check. Hey,
That he
think
doesn't
you
care about you?
Clear out the sand shark so I can get to my ship? Give me my hoverboard if you do.
Whoa, a real McMarx 4000? Consider it done.
And we were gonna save you anyways.
Sand sharks, bro.
Okay.
You got skill, little dude.
Okay, that might be overkill. Oh, what the heck?
Whoa, that was awesome.
What the heck is that? Oh, what's this? Wait, I want that. Heck yeah! What does this do?
He's down.
Come on. How many of you?
Sand sharks on the plateau.
Can you shut up?
There's another sand shark right there. You're doing great, dude. Just a few more left.
Okay. Oh, where did he come from? Oh god.
There's another sand shark right there.
Dude, I get it. You don't have to tell me every time you see a sand shark. Oh shit. Okay, that was probably unneeded.
Oh, nice work, little dude.
That was pretty awesome. Thanks for your help. Here's your hoverboard.
Wait,
Oh, and it's
I
autographed.
get that just from
To
doing
Ratchet
that.
and
You
Clank,
didn't have
the
to do
chillest
much.
dudes I've ever hung out with on a hostile alien planet. Cool.
Hey, have either of you little dudes seen my agent? I feel kind of bad leaving him out here. He doesn't do well with nature.
Okay, I guess we find his agent next. Ow.
Oh, dude, I hope this isn't a career-ending injury.
Since when have you been injured? Thank you for telling me where the two locations are.
Attention, future consumer. While the Skidd McMarx sports
Oh, were you?
appreciates your enthusiasm, you are now trespassing in a restricted area. Please vacate the construction site.
Oh dear god. I don't like this guy.
Uh-oh, reinforcements. Oh boy.
Oh! Wait, what?
Attention.
That's the last of them.
That was impressive.
No, not really. How do we know that this is the last one? We don't work here at this
Attention,
construction
future
site.
consumer.
I see you two dudes found my store. Hey, it doesn't look like much now, but it's gonna be awesome! We're gonna have hoverboards, a swing shot course, and even a
Dude,
24
why are you always talking at the worst possible time? Guess we'll go here.
Ah, Skidd McMarx here. Hey, don't let old man Richard bum you out.
Oh,
Visit
damn.
our snowboard department. Pick up the latest in snow shredding technology.
Can this dude
It's
shut up?
And get 5% off your next purchase. Whoa, dude.
5%'s not even a good deal. Oh. You know, I don't know if this is gonna be a good tourist trap. This is a pretty good death trap.
Ratchet and Clank found a portable hydro displacer, designed by Dr. Nefarious. This ingenious device promised to move water from one place to the other.
Yeah, but I was actually looking for the agent dude. Okay, stop moving, Flo. Oh, God. Oh! Dude, I don't have unlimited ammo.
They keep
Hey.
coming.
Oh, I know this doesn't have ammo either.
I believe we are clear.
How would you know that?
Attention, future consumer. The finest selection of hoverboards, grav bikes, and gyrocycles will not be in stock until next fall. The only thing waiting for you here is death.
Exactly what I came for. Oh my god. Will these fire dudes stop? Well, they constructor bots? Wait, what's that? What's the alarm? Oh, you're still alive. They might not be important right now.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Oh, well, I'm screwed.
I don't know where he is. You know celebrities these days. They do whatever they want.
Oh, we found the agent dude.
Help! These brutes are trying to kill me! Take out the law backs!
Now that's impressive. Have either of you thought about a career in professional sports?
Once. That was a long time ago. Can this guy not?
Better find some
Oh,
nanotech.
Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh great, I only have one weapon left.
Good work, kid. I think that's all of them.
How do you guys always know when
Hey,
it's
you
whatever?
must be the two heroes who saved my client, huh? Don't tell me, don't tell me. Socket and Clink.
Ratchet and Clank.
Right, beautiful.
How did you
Sprocket
know
and
we
Clank.
saved him?
I like the sound of it. Real marketing potential. I could sell that.
We really appreciate you helping us out.
So where are you off to now?
A hospital, I guess. Gotta get this leg checked out.
A hospital? Skid, come on. You've been through worse. What are we gonna do about your sponsors?
I'm beginning to think you don't, care about me or whatever.
Fine. What about you, Renchi?
Ratchet.
Exactly. You want to be a hoverboard star? This infobot will give you all the details. Just tell him Don Wonderstar sent you.
It's that time again. The
What?
annual Blackwater City
Wait,
Hoverboard
we're interrupting this.
Planet Rilgar,
Are you a young
gameplay
thrill
just so we
seeker
can go
looking to
become
show
a
off your
hoverboard star?
skill?
Oh, you serious? Why would you do that? Why?
Okay, what's our destination? You might enjoy the hoverboard races held on planet Wilgar.
Yeah, this.
What do you say we put this new
seems
hoverboard to the
very
test?
option. Don't we
better
got
get
to
to Kerr and
deliver
warn
the
Rangers.
Just deliver the robot? Like that seems like the important thing.
We're too late. The invasion has started. Scan the emergency channels. We need to find out what's happening on the ground.
Wait, the invasion already started?
The Hall of Heroes is under attack. Repeat. Enemy ships are now in the central district of Illyro City. Galactic Rangers are under heavy fire at the Hall of Heroes. And there's a Blarg transport closing in fast.
Oh no, not the blogs. Why aren't they doing anything?
We must assist the...
Whoa, just a moment. You're just gonna throw me straight into this? What the heck? Or what the heck are those?
Ratchet, now might be a good time to test those weapon systems.
Yeah, I am trying, but I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, there's a start thing. Assume that might be it?
We have an unidentified ship providing assistance.
Oh dear god.
Transport down. Yeah. Whoever you are, thank you.
Well, it's kind of the guy that you denied.
Transports. Those transports are dropping off warbots all over the city.
Not on my watch.
Oh dear god. Oh dear god. Oh dear god.
Blarg transport down. Gotta take out those transports. Another transport down.
It appears there are only 3 ships left.
Only 3, okay. Oh, there goes one. Come on. Shit.
Yeah, my bad.
Whatever, screw that one. What the fuck? Going around! Oh dear god. Oh dear god, that was stupid.
That's the last of them.
Thanks, guys. Looks like you got all the transports. But we still gotta take out that warship.
Oh dear
The
god.
warbot's armor is made of a raritanium alloy.
I could barely take down the
If we
small
could
one.
propel a warbot at the ship with sufficient velocity, I believe it would penetrate the hull.
Awesome. How do we do that?
Your weapon
Yeah, I was
package
wondering the
includes
same
a mag
thing.
booster. I am rewriting the software to isolate the warbot's armor.
You can do that?
Ah, there. You should now be able to pick up warbots using the mag booster.
Okay, let's try this out.
Come on, grab the one.
Warbot's in tow. Now let's head toward that warship.
Oh dear god.
Warbots attached.
How do I throw them at them though?
Release! Return to sender. Boom!
Holy cow!
Warning. Catastrophic system failure detected.
Wait, why?
Ratchet, the ship is...
Hey, Warbots! Time to go home.
Oh dear. We need to repair the ship.
I get that. But who's shooting at me? Stay right there.
Release Warbots! Warship down.
Heck yeah!
Way to go, whoever you are!
All right, everyone, let's give these heroes some breathing room. I'm happy to field all questions on their behalf.
Dallas Wanamaker here. Does this mean you'll be asking these 2 heroes to join the Rangers?
Say what now? I don't see why not. And that is how dumb luck helped a rookie Lombax take out a Blargian warship.
That wasn't no dumb luck. He and that robot made a great pair.
That's enough out of you, Solitary Bill. Sheesh, you give a guy your pudding cup once, and then you can never get rid of him.
So, what happened next?
Well, Drek didn't take too kindly to having his plan ruined by a Lombax and his robot pal, so he sent Blargian mercenaries to take them out.
You all right, pal?
Supposed to start your training in a few minutes.
Sorry, Brax. Clank and I ran into a bit of, ship trouble. Looks like there's still a few Blarg in the city.
We must have missed them during our sweep of the perimeter.
You guys are
You better
full
check
body
the Hall of Heroes and make sure they didn't make it inside.
Enemy down.
What are you? Alright. Okay, that didn't work. Oh dear God. You don't want to shoot at me or something?
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Are you fucking kidding me? I don't see what I'm doing, but it looks effective.
You mess with the Blarg, you get hurt.
That must be Big Al's place. Hey! We're all clear. Holy cow. I've died and gone to nerd heaven. Look at this. They have my blaster runs hot. Fungoid with a stick. Oh, Spiro the Space Moose. They even have the Mega Limited Ultra Edition of Intransigence Fall of Blarg.
It's just a poster.
That one comes with exclusive content if you pre-ordered through Gadgetron. I take it you're the ones Cora called me about? The ones in need of a new helipack upgrade?
You must be Big Al. It is nice to meet you. I am Clank. This is Ratchet.
Well, any friend of Cora's is a friend of mine. She and I kind of have a will we, won't we romance in progress.
Uh-huh.
Hop onto my workbench.
I assume it's more of that
won't.
won't.
Squared away. Try it out.
Looking good, pal.
Getting back to the Hall of Heroes is easy. Just head this way until you find the Graph Train station. That'll take you straight back.
Thanks again, Big Al.
What the heck is this?
Take your time. Sorry, need more ball.
Oh, I want it.
The Hero found themselves at a perilous drop. Would their new helipack help them glide to safety?
I would hope so. Excuse me, we'll be back in a moment.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
The A train is now arriving. Please stand clear.
Looks like it's leaving.
Attention, all passengers. Due to the recent invasion, all trains may be swarming with armed Blarg mercenaries. We apologize
Oh, that's
for this
wonderful.
inconvenience.
There it is. Come on, let's hitch a ride.
Why do they have a train directly to where they have their base? Isn't that not smart? Oh dear God. Oh dear God, what? Oh, that was that's so dumb. I wish I knew. Oh dear God, no! What? What? Why? Oh dear God! Hope that's not there properly.
Didn't cost too much.
Yes, same. Hi, fish.
I'm sure there's a very good reason for transporting killer fish.
I agree. Don't shoot me.
Ratchet stood and appreciated a tribute to greatness. We shouldn't be hidden away in a corner like this.
Are you kidding me? You are here?
Ratchet, that bomb has a 5 kiloton payload. Detonating it near the Hall of Heroes will be catastrophic.
We better move fast.
Come on, come on, come on. You knocked me off the edge right there, I would have been so mad.
Go, boy.
Come on, come on, come on. Okay. How do I destroy? Oh, I thought I followed.
On arriving at the Hall of Heroes.
I see. Then it's time for an early drop-off.
Come on. Hopefully that doesn't kill anyone.
Rax, come in. We're arriving at the Hall of Heroes.
Copy that, Ratchet. I'll meet you at the front entrance and we'll begin your training.
We've been cleared to attack Drek Industries in 3 days. That means you two are getting the accelerated course.
Ha! That's right, lives at home 472. What's the matter? Don't like getting your butt kicked?
Hey, Alaris.
Hi, Rax.
Alaris here is in charge of developing our gear and providing tactical support.
Your protosuit is the most advanced combat armor on the market. And it comes in all the latest fall colors.
Sweet.
Next up is basic training. The captain designed this fitness course to help us reach our top physical condition.
That looks dangerous.
Good luck.